Buddy. Everything I got, give you my best shot. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. We are going to get ready to go here, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. How we doing, Instagram? How we doing, TikTok? Good morning, TikTok. Good morning, Instagram. What's up, YouTube? Good morning, Seam. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. What's up, TikTok guys? Double tap the screen on TikTok, guys. Good morning, good morning. Let's get this show on the road, guys. We have about 15 minutes of the market to open, so let's be ready for that, guys. Neck's feeling a little bit better. Appreciate you. I got some treatment on it yesterday. Still not feeling 100%, but we will grind through it. We will grind through it. See if we get to 1,000 likes before the stream starts, guys. Let's see if we can get there. Good morning, everybody. Excuse me. Good morning, good morning. Let me know if anybody has any questions before we get underway, guys. Market opens in about 15 minutes. Feel free to ask me any questions in the interim, guys. Let's get it. Appreciate it, Carlos. Am I watching W Day or Dell? No, I'm not watching either of those names, Kosh. You know, I normally just do futures here, guys, but I'll just give you a quick little mini sauce session here. Like, so looking at W Day, right? We're getting a pretty hefty gap down here. So if you look at the daily chart, daily in an uptrend, weekly in an uptrend, monthly's in an uptrend. So despite this being able to potentially flip down, right, we're right at this monthly 20 EMA. So because all the time frames are pointed bullish, I'm not overly interested here in shorting. And similar with Dell, right? Similar with Dell. Monthly is looking good. We're basically just gapping right down to the monthly 8. The weekly here is you know, gapping to the monthly the weekly 20, excuse me, and the daily is just gapping down, right? So because the time frames are conflicted, I don't really want to stick with that. That's why, for example, I like this new 10x, right? We're gapping up over the previous all-time high. Obviously, previous all-time high daily, weekly, and monthly uptrends. So we'd be looking for that dip, the previous all-time high, back over the opening print for longs there in new 10x. Is there a delay on TikTok? On TikTok, there's roughly like a 5-second delay, or actually, I think it might be 4-second delay. On Instagram, it's about 45 seconds. On YouTube, it's about 4 seconds as well. NVIDIA, guys, so any analysis further, guys, for options, just ask me in the Discord. If you guys are not already in the Discord, make sure you use this link. I'll post it in the chat, guys. Black Friday 2024 gets you 50% off. I'll post it in both chats, guys. Black Friday Black Friday 2024. It gets you 50% off every single month for life in stock dad. So click link in the bio, use that. If you want any options analysis done, guys, tag me in the main chat and I'll gladly post my charts for you in the charting section. Again, Black Friday 2024, guys. Guys, let's see if we get to 1K likes, guys, on TikTok. Let's see if we get to 1K likes before the market opens, guys. 1K likes before market opens, that'd be great. Yes, Carlos, crazy discount. Meta? Yep, ask me in the Discord, Pakistani Pudar. Again, if you use code Black Friday 2024, 50% off. 50% off every single month for life. My analysis on SPY today. It's very simple. If we break yesterday high, which is previous all-time high, we're going to continue going higher. That's what I think is going to happen. Let me know if anybody else has any other questions, guys, for me. Again, let's also see if we get to 1K likes before the market opens, guys. 1K likes before the market opens. Obviously, I want everyone to enjoy their day tomorrow, so I want to try and get a very strong stream in today. Enjoy the day, be done early, and then haul it for after the holidays, guys. Also, keep in mind, guys, Friday is a half day. Keep that in mind, guys. Friday is a half day in the markets, okay? Appreciate that, Apple user. Again, guys, for those that are just joining in now, our biggest sale ever with Stock Dads. I'll put the code in the chat one more time. Black Friday 2024. Black Friday 2024 gets you 50% off every single month for life, guys. Guys, again, my goal today is to be one and done. I'd like to, if we can just capture one really good trade, call it a day, be done for the day, and that will be that. That's the ideal goal today, guys, so we shall see. There we go, 1K likes. Appreciate y'all, appreciate y'all. Next stop, 2K, of course, but we'll give you guys a breather for a second. And again, for those that are not already following, guys, double tap the screen, drop me some likes, and then drop me a follow, guys. I try to hop on here for free when I can. Most likely next week, guys, most likely next week we're going to have a new streaming schedule. It's not going to be necessarily every morning. So we'll see. How's the volume so far? Seems fine. It may not be in the mornings. It may be in the afternoons. It may not be every day, right? I'm going to be going back to streaming more as well in the Stock Dads Discord. So make sure you guys are in there. Again, we have 2 different promotions using code ZACH, which is on the screen. Code ZACH gets you a free first month. Or if you just want to use Black Friday 2024, it gets you 50% off a month every single month for life. So you all have the option there. Market opens in about 10 minutes here, guys. So let me know if anybody else has any other questions before the market opens up and we get underway here, guys. Any other questions, guys? Let me know. Feel free. Let it rip. Now's the time to ask before we open up. Whether it's about futures trading, options, Stock Dads, Discord. Now's the time to ask, guys. Do you think a small sell-off before we break, or we just chop? What's up, Snipe? I mean, we'll see. That's the stuff I don't like to try to predict. You know, I don't like to try to predict these you know, immediate moves. All I know is it's very simple for me. Is if we break the previous day high and hold in trend, I'll buy pullbacks. It's that simple for me right now. Again, we'll see. Waiting for pre-market high or low. That's valid too. Whatever you feel comfortable with, that's what you roll with, guys. That's what you roll with. I need to start trading. Let's get it, Adrian. We got 50% off every single month for life using code Black Friday 2024. Will it be choppy like yesterday? I do think it's going to be a bit choppy personally, yes. Do you think the market's going up or down? It's very simple for me. I don't like to predict if it's going up or down. I like to say scenarios. If we break the previous day high and we start to trend above the previous day high, that's it. What app do I even start with? So the Discord app, that's the one that you're going to get access to, or you should need access to if you get the Stock Dads Discord, obviously. And then from there, we can give you the other options depending on what your interests are, stocks, futures, options, etc. We can make sure you're all set up, good to go. Market opens in about 5 minutes, guys, so let's get ready, let's get prepared, and let's see what we can get, guys. Yep, exactly. I'm not sure, Zoltanic, I'm not exactly sure. Appreciate that, Adrian. You guys, if you're not already following, guys, on all platforms, Zach Austin Trades, really appreciate that. We think it's going to be a trend day, consolidated day. I'm not sure. We'll see, right? It's very simple for me, as I mentioned. Above the previous day high, we start to trend. Boom, we go. Are we still waiting? Yes. I'd prefer to take trades when the market opens, personally. Is there a time and place to take a pre-market? Sure. But personally, I like to wait. Doug Sweeney, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. And again, guys, if you guys want the 40%, actually, excuse me, it's 45% off on all Tradeify accounts, which is the platform I'm using right now. Use code StockDads on the screen. Code StockDads gets you a 45% discount on all the futures platforms. And guys, make sure you're following on all platforms at Zach Austin Trades. In case one of the platforms goes down, sometimes that happens for some reason. But and again, make sure if you're not already in the Stock Dads Discord, I'm going to be going back to streaming there shortly. So again, use code Black Friday 2024. I'm going to type it in both of the chats. Black Friday 2024. It gets you a 50% discount every month for life, guys. Adrian, if you want this to be your job, you're in the right spot. Definitely join the Discord. Take advantage of that promotion before it's gone. What's up, Wardlow? Market opens in about 3 minutes here, guys. So let's get underway. Let's get ready, guys. Alright guys, we got about a minute or two here. Let's get ready, guys. Yeah, this week has not been good with the price action. I'm not expecting too much today, but as always, we will be prepared, and we will go from there, guys. Next, a little bit better. Appreciate that, guys. Good morning. Nope, this is not Apex. Good morning, Benji. This is Tradeify, guys. On the screen, Tradeify.co. Tradeify.co. Code StockDads gets you that discount. NQ with a big dump to start the morning here. Down to that hourly 20 EMA or so right there about, roughly. Do what I can, try Huge dip there in the indices. this time. RTY with a big pop, as did the Dow, guys. Wow. Guys, so make sure in the Discord we're trimming that upstart, guys. Trimming that upstart, okay? Make sure we're trimming the upstart in the Discord. Yep, no evaluation, Van. No evaluation on Tradeify. Straight to funded. Open up the account. Get going, guys. Right away. News in 27 minutes? Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Depending on GME, it's actually looking decent. For a meme stock, GME is looking decent, I will admit. Appreciate the roses as well. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Pretty big drop so far, guys. We're still just going to kind of wait and see here, right? We're going to wait and see. Yeah, no memes right now, guys. We're sticking with futures right now, guys. No memes. Yeah, NQ is at the daily 8 EMA here. Waiting for a retest of 6035 for shorts. Maybe. We'll see. I'm just kind of waiting it out right now, guys. Just going to waiting it out right now. Karamat, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Guys, we just tagged a key level here on NQ. I want to go take a long, guys. I'm going to take one long here.
Order filled.
I got filled at 69.5s, guys. As you guys can see, we just tagged that key 52 level there, right? So I'm going to use a 25-point stop loss. So I'm going to risk about $500 in this trade. I'd like to see it pop back up at least to the 2-minute 8 EMA, roughly, if we can get there. We're a bit extended, so the 2-minute 8 would be a great first target. There you go, you should be able to see that now. Nice. So I'm risking $500 on this trade. Only one contract, guys, because we're at a key spot here, this 52 level, right? On top of that, we're at the daily 8. So this general area is what should hold. So I'm willing to put on a long here and, you know, risk about 25 points. Again, if it's not up to your personal risk tolerance, you don't have to. But as I mentioned, guys, because I'm not going to be streaming too much longer here on these accounts, I'm going to be upping up the risk a little bit. Maybe bigger position sizes, you know, riskier trades, essentially. So, excuse me. Yes, support. Looking for support there. News in 5. I think we have some type of news in 15 minutes, guys. I believe it's at 10 Eastern time. So I'm hoping to be out of the trade before then, guys. And again, like I said, guys, I'm ideally going to be one and done if possible, whether win or lose, guys. So that's what we're going to potentially see if we can get. If we could push to like 89 and change, guys, like 89-ish, get 20 points, I'd be solid for that. Okay, I guess we do have news in 5 minutes, guys, so I'm going to look to close this position beforehand. I thought it was at 10. I thought it was at 10, so I guess I'm wrong here, guys.
Order rejected.
Oops, why is the order rejected? Okay, I'm just going to close the position, guys.
Order filled.
I'm going to close it here. I didn't realize. I thought the news truthfully was at 10, guys. So, you know, we're up 265. This trade could, in theory, still play out, guys. Well, there you go. This was the take profit anywhere, guys. So there's the 20 points, as I mentioned, off the level. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple what we were looking for there, in my opinion. And yeah, so. But, you know, bounce off the level. Daily 8 EMA there. I didn't realize the news was in a minute. Like I said, I thought it was in 10 minutes. Or at 10 o'clock, excuse me. So, always rather be safe than sorry. So, you know, it's still a solid little trade there. Oh, we have news at 9:45 and 10. Okay. Yeah. Definitely definitely a good sign. Let's hold off maybe. So still a solid W, guys. Let me know if you guys got that trade. Nice trade. I missed I was on a call. Nice. All right. Sorry about that. There'll be more hopefully. But again, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might just take it easy today. We'll see. If another trade sets up and it's A+ right in front of our face, I'll take it. You know. But I'm not gonna force anything today. Today's not the day to force, right? Today is not the day to force. Great trade, appreciate that. Made 230 off that trade, nice. All right, so seems a lot of people made 200, 230, 250, etc. So, you know, solid. That was the goal. Again, you know, the main target there, as I mentioned, right? So the main target for the trade was the 2-minute 8 EMA, which you pretty much tagged. So that would have been good for, you know, 20 to 25 points depending on your entry. So I think, you know, can't really complain with that, right? Pretty solid there. And we'll see now. We'll see now what happens, right? We shall see, guys. Excuse me. Again, I don't really mind if it's one and done, so. Hey guys, when it comes to news, you're always rather safe than sorry, right? You don't know what's going to happen. Especially, some people were saying news at 9:45, some people were saying 10 Eastern time, right? Apparently there was news at both, and so you just never know what's going to happen. Truthfully, I think what's going to end up happening is we're going to retest the 5-minute 8 EMA roughly around this 29.22 area. But, you know, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. There's no guarantees. The market doesn't have to do anything, so, again, with that being said, just going to kind of see if anything sets up. If nothing sets up, guys, I'm going to take the small gain and call it a day. No problem calling it early, right? If anybody has any questions, guys, now's the time to ask. Let me know if now's the time to ask, guys. Ray-Ban, thank you for the follow. 356, thanks to the dog. Thanks for the bread. Nice. Accidentally did one contract on micro, still profited, but very less. Fair enough. Listen, if you take one contract, then still make something, I suppose. Also, someone asked me yesterday what my favorite piece of sports memorabilia was, and I said this. Oops, shit. I said that signed Yankee jersey, but I'm gonna retract that statement. And I said it yesterday, but you know, that right there is a tee that I got, as I mentioned, where I took a hitting lesson because I played baseball in college. I took a hitting lesson with at the time the Yankees hitting coach. And so that's a signed tee by him. That's the picture right there with me him signing it. That's the ball, one of the balls that we use. So I think by default that has to be my favorite piece. Definitely not worth the most, but definitely the most sentimental piece. So I know someone mentioned that yesterday and asked again. So. Appreciate that, Jack Trends. My entry setup. Can you explain how you trade next? Yeah, if we go through another trade, I'll explain it. But this is, for me, a pretty simple one. I just took it off my hourly level. The hourly level here had some confluence with the daily 8 EMA. So the daily 8 was there. Hourly level was right there. So I took it as we bounced. Pretty much zero drawdown. The only thing is that we had some news I didn't know about. So I ended up closing the position somewhere in here. We got about 13 points on it. I was aiming for here, which would have given us that 20-25 points, right? I was aiming for that 2-minute 8 EMA. But because of news, I just decided to cut the trade short. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And so, that was the trade. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory trade. We got his fake Zach Austin futures following me. No, I longed it. Danny. I use the 5-minute and the 15-minute. The only time I really use the 2-minute is if I'm looking for targets. So for example, I take the entry there on the 5-minute because we're extended, looking for some mean reversion to the 2-minute 8 EMA, then the 2-minute 20. The 2-minute 20 oftentimes lines up with the 5-minute 8. Boom, boom, boom. So for now, guys, I'm just going to wait. We have more data at 10. I think what I'm going to do personally, guys, is I'm going to wait for the data. So you don't use any EMAs. I prefer to use the 8 and 20 EMAs. That's what I use. And so I use Tradeify, guys. So Tradeify is on the screen, tradeify.co. It's a straight to funded platform. No evaluation process, meaning you can open the account and start trading on it right away, guys. I took my last withdrawal, or I took my first withdrawal, last week. I posted a video. I basically recorded everything in real time, showing you guys how the process worked. So if you're interested in learning more about that, check out my last video on my YouTube channel. It's about 3 minutes long. So. Yeah, essentially user. There's a little bit more that goes into it, but I'm not going to go into full depth right now while I'm trying to look for trades. Yeah, I'm waiting for the news as well, Daniel. If the news is kind of a non-event, or if it's an event in one direction that I don't really want to trade, I'm going to just call it early. The only thing I will say, guys, is that the YM's looking very good. The YM's looking very good. We're above the previous day high. If we look at it, it's potentially a 1, 2, 3. The upside, right? Impulse, rest, impulse. So we do have some upside potential here in the Dow. It's just a matter of, do we want to risk and take the trades? That is the only question we are asking ourselves here. So I'm going to keep an eye on the Dow, I think, more than anything here, guys. Keep an eye on this Dow. All right. Why am I not in my regular office? Do I have a strategy course? Yes, I am doing mentorship soon, but I also offer one-on-one lessons. I'm a Kraken fan, guys. Zach, can you help me with mindset? This is a way to be happy with small gains almost every time over trading. Well, when it comes to over trading, it's just a matter of do you want to continue to give back gains or do you want to lock in the gains? That's simple. I'm looking for a break over 276 on low, but we'll see. I'm probably not going to touch that name today. Again, guys, news is coming out in 5 minutes here, so news in 5. I hate this chat. Baba boom, baba bang. Yes, Cycle Trader. Down, target 45,322, maybe. Do I take trade after hours? I personally don't, but Chef and Ace do. I occasionally will, but Chef and Ace more frequently do. Yes. Yeah, so there's still a profit target to take profit, right? You still need to hit a certain amount to withdraw, but there's just no evaluation process to start. Strategy's the same after hours. I just personally don't prefer to do that because it's usually slower. That's really all it is. Again, guys, we have some data coming out. NQ is actually breaking this level here. Still an inside bar here, so anything can happen. Maybe a failure to go lower of sorts. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here, guys. I do like the Dow, though. So, again, we have news in a couple minutes here. If the news is solid, I'm going to look to take a trade in the Dow. If we can't get a trade in the Dow, I'm probably going to be done for the day. No, I'm not on Twitch, Jack. I'm just on YouTube. I'm on TikTok, and I'm on Instagram. What's up, Eric? Yeah, I know what you meant, Carlos. News in 5 minutes. Yeah, we got news in a couple minutes here. Dove, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Guys, we're at 1,898 likes on TikTok. Let's see if we get to 3K likes before we hop off at least, guys. And remember, if you're not already following, guys, make sure you're double tapping the screen. Make sure you drop a follow. Really appreciate that. Helps me grow the page, grow the stream. And again, we got some discounts for you guys. I'll put them in the chat one more time. If you use code Black Friday 2024, guys, Black Friday 2024. I posted it in both of the chats here. That gets you a 50% discount to Stock Dads every single month for life, guys. So take advantage of that. Since I've been in Stock Dads, it's 6 months or so. This is the biggest discount that they've offered. And I thank you for following on TikTok as well. And make sure you take advantage of that. Rismus. Guys, we're not doing meme coins right now. And then again, guys, if you want to join me on the Tradeify team, guys, today, one trade so far, one small trade, $265 in profit on NQ. We closed it prematurely to our target simply because I didn't know there was data at 9:45 and 10. I thought it was just a 10. So we were able to get about 13, 14 points, whatever that was. It did hit our 25-point target, but it is what it is. And again, the code Stock Dads here for Tradeify gets you a 45% off to any of the straight to funded accounts. No evaluation process, guys. You can start working towards your profit targets right away, guys. Right away. What's better than that? I don't know. Not a lot. Jack on YouTube. Make sure you're also following on Instagram and TikTok because sometimes some of the streams go down at times. So make sure you're on all the platforms, guys. Let me know if anybody has any questions, guys. As I mentioned, data's kind of going to pop here in about 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, we should maybe get some type of move. So Tradeify is where to start with their sim to fund it. Yeah, absolutely, Wardlow. Yep, definitely. I mean, listen, just being able to save yourselves money, save yourselves time, right? Because think about this. A lot of these firms either have an activation fee or the evaluation is just more expensive, unless you're a wizard and can pass it on the first try, which truthfully, guys, I don't pass all my evaluations on the first try, just being truthful, right? So, you know, if that's the case, might as well just better off saving you some time there, in my opinion, but... Rizmis. NQ short. Nice. Good work, Jack. Guys, again, we have data in about 30 seconds, so keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. What's up, Mullen? What's going on? Just learn every day. Love to hear that. Love to hear that. NQ dropping the new lows here. Pally, thank you for the follow on Instagram. Appreciate that. I'm watching the Russell here, guys. I'm watching the Russell and the Dow mostly here, guys. Russell's kind of hanging out here to the 5-minute 8 EMA, like, right? 15-minute flipped. Hourly's valid. We broke above the previous day, so no longer inside bar. So this does look good. We can wait for this 5-minute close because there's some data coming, right? And then we can go from there. Tommy Lee, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate that. Thank you with a bit of a pop there as well. Yeah, guys, I'm waiting. I'm most likely going to just call it a day as well. I'm just going to wait a little bit longer here and just see. But most likely going to call it. Thinking we're going to be just chopping around. I don't mind how NQ shaping up here. Like above 60s targets, like that's not a crazy target. That's the only thing. I don't mind RTY here at the opening print, which is also the 5-minute 20. Not the best, but not the worst. Well, actually, the Dow looks real good. Ooh, that looks real good. I just saw that right now. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take that with a 40-point stop, guys. This will be the last trade of the day, win or lose, guys. Okay. I'm gonna take
Order filled.
2 longs here, guys, in the Dow. Okay, 2 longs in the Dow at 68s, guys. Stop loss. Gonna be underneath here. So about 60-point stop. We're looking for a first target about the high of the day as well. Good work, Daniel. I'm just gonna hold this Dow, guys, and that'll be it for now. Just some Dow long. I think, you know, if the market does turn around a bit here, then the Dow will be probably the beneficiary here. So that's what we'll go for here. I'll look to take one off at like previous high a day to like reduce some risk. We get to like 99. What's previous high a day? Oh, previous high a day is like 119. Yeah, I'll take one off at 99 if we can get there. Just secure like a little 30-point gainer. And then I'll hold the other one for new high day. Sounds good, W Sport. Sounds good. Have a good Thanksgiving to you too. Have a good Thanksgiving to you too. You let me, if you let me. Again, guys, I'm going to look to take profit on one at 99 if we can get there for a 30-point profit, and then hold the other one for potential new highs. That's the plan as of now. Have a good one, Daniel. Catch you. So looking for a push up to like 99 here, and then new highs after that. We got to 91. NQ is officially tagging this level here too as well, guys. Right, made new low, tagging level. Could bounce from here easily, you know. So we'll see. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully the Dow is a beneficiary here of that. So our take profit's going to be at 99. A little push higher should get it for us. I have one sell order at 99, guys, and the other one will look for new all-time highs. Excuse me, new daily highs, which I guess is new all-time highs as well. NQ, ES, RTY all trying to turn here, so Dow's getting hit as well. We did make a slight new high at 93, which is annoying. Happy Thanksgiving, bro. See you Monday. Appreciate that, just so you too, really do appreciate that. So guys, I'm down about 10 points per contract here now. We were up about 25. You know, I didn't sell it. I was looking for higher targets. Here's a key thing you have to understand, guys, is that two things, right? If you're selling your winners too early and holding your losers too long, both of those things will equally hurt you, you know, in the same manner, right? So if you're not allowing your winners to play out, well, I should say barring other things, right? So for today's example, we were in an NQ long and I closed it a little early because of data. Those times we don't have to worry about, right? That's fine. But if we're talking about normal trades, if we're just holding them, if we're just closing them too early, right? Then that can actually negatively impact you in the long term. Just gotta be a little patient. Gotta be a little patient. Not done yet. We got one more trade open, guys, and then we'll go from there. Sunny your days. My heart. NQ is just bleeding, RTY is bleeding, ES is bleeding, Dow's holding. So if the market can just turn around for a moment, we should be okay, but we'll see, guys. Just holding, sticking to the plan, guys, sticking to the plan. I'm already in the trade, guys. You guys can see exactly when I'm in, and I tell you guys when I'm exiting, so. Excuse me. No, it's a one-time fee, Pally. One-time fee on Tradeify for the straight to funded accounts. And again, using code StockDads gets you that 45% discount. We get an order filled one time for the Thanksgiving people. Come on. One time for the one time. Little push, little push. Market's trying to hold on a bit here. Yeah, it would have been sick if it fell. I'm already in, guys, as I mentioned. I'm already in this trade. Just waiting patiently. The other markets don't look good, though, I will say, guys. So if the Dow at some point starts losing some steam, I'm going to definitely exit because this is a little sketchy on the other end of the market, right? So. We got to 93. Come on, give us a little pump. That's all we're asking for. We're not asking for a lot. Right? Really not. We're not being greedy. Following the plan, sticking to the plan.
Order filled.
There we go. Locked in one con, guys. Now let's try to ride the next one to the previous high of the day, guys. Let's see if we can get there. Order filled. Let's get it. Play the new Kendrick. After this trade, we got some time. We got some good juju going right now. We got some good juju going on. Alright, guys. Let's see if we can get pushed to a new high, guys. See if we get to push to a new high. So right now, guys, we've locked in 150 and 265. So what I'm going to do now, guys, with my remaining Dow, I'm going to put a hard stop loss at break even. Hard stop loss at break even. And we're going to ride. So that means we've secured $400 of profit on the day. So our stop loss now is at break even. If it stops us out, right? If it stops us out, and then so it's like we're risking the unrealized profit right at this point to make new highs on the day. If it stops us out just to bounce, guys, it's fine. I want to just be able to say, okay, we secured $400 per account today, right? Yeah, it'll be just over $400 per account. So secure about a $1,200 a day no matter what. Appreciate that, Dave. Again, if it stops us out and bounces, it is what it is. It very well could. It very well could because we have the 5-minute 8 EMA right there. It very well could, as I mentioned. But I'd rather it stop us out and then work over, just plummet from here. Because, again, I want to just secure a nice day before Thanksgiving here. You know, $1,200 day across the account. So. What's up, Jada? I've been trading full-time for almost 3 years, like 2.5 or so. Again, guys, so right now we're sitting up about, if this trade gets stopped out, it would be up about almost about $1,300 across the accounts. So we'll see. Again, we're risking the unrealized profit on this trade for new highs in the day. So again, about like 20 points of unrealized profit for another like 50 points of upside. I got it. NQ is weak though. NQ is real weak though. Have a good one, AP. Catch you. Appreciate that, Jack. David, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Any thoughts on the video? I do have many thoughts, but we're focusing on the futures right now, guys. Again, any analysis you want done on any stocks, guys, ask in the Discord. Tag me in the Discord. I'll be happy to cover that for you in the Discord. La, la. This is the 5-minute chart, yeah?
Stop field.
Alright, guys, we were stopped out there. So, guys, we were stopped out there on that final portion of that trade there. But as we can see, $145 profit on the Dow, $265 on 9Q. So, $400 on the day. It's Zach Austin Trades, Jack Trends. The same exact username on YouTube. It is for Instagram and TikTok. Follow me there. I'm going to be hopping off here, guys. I really appreciate everybody tuning in. I hope everyone has a good Thanksgiving. Hourly closes in 5 minutes. Again, guys, if you guys want to join the Stock Dads Discord, I'll put the code in the chat one more time if you're not already in there, guys. Black Friday 2024 gets you 50% off. 50% off on the subscription every month forever, guys. Best discount ever we've ever had. And then from there, guys, if you want to join the Tradeify team, use code StockDads. Gets you a nice discount as well for Tradeify. Gets you 45% off. Again, nice $400 day. So for me, 3 accounts, $400, $1,200 profit. That is it. Have a good one, Wardlow. Have a good one, Zalthumbs. Guys, appreciate you all. Have a good rest of the day. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Spend some time with your family. I don't think I'll be streaming on Friday. It's a short day. I don't even know if I'm going to trade, but I definitely won't stream. So, again, I appreciate you all. Make sure you drop a follow.